Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing tension and clearing the workspace. Place the AirPods Max on a soft cloth with cups up. First, slide each ear cup straight down until it detaches. This relieves pressure on the headband. Once done, visually inspect the mesh and frame for bends, tears, or stretch sections so you understand what you're fixing. Make sure to keep screws and small parts organized. Small damage changes how you adjust, and this initial check informs whether gentle stretching or a deeper repair is needed. You now focus on even tension. Grab both metal sliders and move them simultaneously so the ear cups stay level. Slide in small, equal increments, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch each side, because big changes can misalign the drivers and cause discomfort. After each micro adjustment, reattach the cups and put the headset on to test fit and seal. If the mesh feels loose, tighten the sliders slightly and shift the headband toward the crown to restore cushioning and proper clamping force. You finish by locking in the final position. Stop when the sliders reach a comfortable clamp and do not force them past metal stops. Once satisfied, wear the headset for a few minutes to confirm long-term comfort. If you notice uneven pressure, repeat symmetric adjustments and clean the slider tracks with a dry cloth to remove debris. If looseness persists or you hear creaks, that indicates internal wear. Make sure to contact Apple or an authorized service provider rather than forcing repairs yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.